few of these game sevens, he's missed a shot at the end of one against this same opponent. I know you guys want to win for everyone, but how much more do you kind of want to be able to win a game like this for Mike?
I want to win for myself. Yeah, I wasn't with Mike whenever he was playing game 7, so that has nothing to do with me. Yeah, I want to win for myself.
Your boy locked in, man. Your boy locked in. He just chilling there. Locked in. For real.
I know.
How does that feel?
Feels great. You know, this is the defending champ. So it's you know, it's just one step to where I want to go. But you know, it's a credit to the work that we put in and to the talent in this locker room and the heart of this team. You know, so it's we're just halfway through, you know, our goal, but it feels good.
All your
Wolves
hard
on
work,
three,
man.
Wolves
All
on
your
three.
hard work, baby.
Yeah.
That's all paid off.
Yes,
Man.
sir.
You be there every morning.
Hell yeah.
How does that feel?
Man, no worries right now, bro. That's what we're supposed to do, bro. Got the dub.
Long time coming. Long time coming. I can cry. Long time. We got a lot more to do, though. But we enjoy this one.
Sure. I don't know. I don't watch these guys, so I don't know what they talk about. But I know that they have to talk about something, and they have to talk about us that are on the court. But yeah, I'm glad Coach didn't listen to his advice. Like they are, an incredible team, a championship team. With the best player in the world. It feels good.
You were down 20 in the second half.
Down 20 second half, and we've been through adversity with all this group, and I'm so proud of the way we kept our composure tonight, the way we kept trusting each other tonight, and it's credit to every single guy in the locker room, every single guy in the coaching staff. It's halfway there now.
It was a balanced win, too. There were a lot of guys who were in column.
That's the team we can be, and that's the team we want to be. Obviously, Andy Cat brings so much attention when they make the right play. Everybody else will be able to score, and then it's really tough on the defense. And tonight, and even the last game, they did an amazing job doing that. I think our team we're still getting better every single game, every single day. So it's fun to be part of.
Rudy, what did it feel like when that fadeaway went in?
I'm good.
Practice that one?
How do you feel when you went in?
I mean, I was a little stunned, I'm not going to lie.
I felt good for sure.
Down 15 on the halftime. What was the locker room like?
We were like, let's go. Let's give everything we got. Let's keep. There's a lot of things that we weren't doing as good as we thought we could be. We weren't playing like the team that we could be. Play like, and we came out aggressive, making the right play, getting stops, running, and 15 points in the NBA is nothing. You can always come back. So credit to the guys, man. Mike, and Kat, Jaden. Naz, every single guy in the locker room, man, to keep believing. We never give up. That's who we are. That's who we're gonna be, no matter what. Adversity is gonna come. Sometimes we're gonna make mistakes. Every time we're gonna make mistakes, but keep trusting one another, and we never stop.
Rudy, Karl, just received his.
Your bench going crazy for you guys, and you're soaking in that moment.
You just kind of tell that we weren't here alone. I guess they was in the game with us, and they kind of gave us that home court feel a little bit.
Was there a point in the second half where you kind of knew that you had them, like in terms of like getting back into it?
Yeah, probably like 3 minutes left. I knew we had them. Just knowing just sticking with the course of the game and making the right play every time. They just let us back in the game. And defensively, we got a bunch of shots and got easy points.
Was this the kind of game that kind of typifies this season for you guys in terms of sometimes it was you, sometimes it was Kat, sometimes it was Naz, sometimes just everyone really chipping in to dig out?
Yeah, in fact, we got so many versatile players that could go get 20 any game. So next game it might be Naz or Nikhil or Kat, whoever. So just willing to just do whatever you can to win. If this is not your night, you've seen Kill going out there playing hard, playing defense, making plays. So just whoever's time it is, we all support each other.
When Rudy hits the turnaround jumper, are you figuring, yeah, we got this? Or?
I don't even know. I'm God on our side.
Did this team build grit as the season went on and showed today?
Yeah, for sure. I'll say just being down 20 20, how much ever we're down, just staying with it and showing our fight throughout the game.
Jay, what was your defense like this Timberwolves?
What'd you say?
What was your defense like this
I don't know. I think I played okay defense. Like sometimes I kind of let Jamal get away from me, but I think I did okay defense, just funneling everybody to Rudy and then me and Andy. Yeah, I don't know.
The Western Conference Finals. You're in the Western Conference. You're in the Western Conference Finals. What does that sound like? What does that feel like to you?
I mean, it's a dream. Like we used to watch the Western Conference Finals at home and stuff. So just to play in it, there's no more I can ask for. I'm just ready to hoop.
Jaden, what was the difference between the first few games of the series and the last 2 games with your offensive output?
I mean, my offense wasn't that well, but I was still trying to do whatever I could to impact the game. So just playing hard defensively. Like there was games I didn't score, I only scored like a couple points. So I mean, I didn't let it get to me, get me down, and then just kept hooping. My teammates gave me all the confidence in the world. Like you hear them in the back. So just continue to be myself.
That wasn't really scoring much in the first part of the game, but you kind of took it upon yourself to be aggressive. Where did that come from?
Just attacking closeouts. I mean, we work on it every day. Like just being able to play off the dribble. I mean, and then makes the right play. Even though he was fouled, the shot wasn't falling, he was making the right play. And moves it open and stuff. So we were playing good basketball.
How does it feel to be going back to the Target Center for the Western Conference Finals, but you got the home field advantage with the crowd?
I mean, it feels great. I mean, I know it's probably going to be rocking in there just because I don't know the last time there was a Western Conference Finals, but I'm excited. I'm ready to see the fans.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
It's a moment for sure. You know, you don't see too many teams do that, but we got some dogs over here, so proud of the guys, man. This one means a lot. Now we got to get locked in for Dallas.
Big game. We needed, we was down 20, but I don't think none of us was ever in the situation where we was nervous. I think everybody, came to compete, everybody came to play. We do big things and continue to do big things.
Game 7 went on the road. We got some real killers, man. And Rudy, Cat. It's the only way we want it, man. Game 7, let's get it.
Tell him just beat it, man.
That's you the handcuff.
I had Jamal in handcuffs. I'm the Pepe.
Karl-Anthony Towns. Karl-Anthony Towns. Karl-Anthony Towns. It's because of him. Thank Cat, y'all. Thank Cat, y'all. They ain't have no answer for Karl. Karl the baddest big on the planet. Y'all know it. It ain't hard to see it. Game 1 of the Western Conference Finals. The Timberwolves will be there.